Well, every Monday through the month of May, we are bringing back Mental Health Mondays by highlighting resources across the Miami Valley. Brooke is sitting down with one of our partners to see what their take is on mental health issues. Brooke?
Yeah, thank you, Jack. Joining me today is the Director of Strategic Initiative and Communication at Montgomery County ADAMHS, Colleen Oakes. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, let's just start at the very basics here. We're talking about mental health. Are mental health disorders becoming more prevalent, or is it something that we're just talking about more?
Yeah, I think a little bit of both. So in the U.S., we're seeing about 1 in 5 individuals has a mental health disorder at some point in their lives. When I started this job 5 years ago, that line was 1 in 6. So we are certainly seeing a higher prevalence, but I think a lot of that might be that more people are getting diagnosed because we know what to look for. Doctors are willing to make those diagnoses, which means that people can get faster help that they need.
I know, fortunately and unfortunately, you can find a lot of things on social media and on the internet, but it's not a diagnosis. If somebody is worried or kind of looking at themselves, how would they know if they have a mental health disorder?
So absolutely getting an actual diagnosis from a clinician is the way to go. We have some great resources in Montgomery County that help with this. So one is our Local Help Now web app. You can Google Local Help Now Montgomery County on any device, and that has our ADAMHS vetted list of treatment providers, mental health providers, and community resources that would fit that individual person's needs.
Yeah, you just talked about resources. Also the 988 Crisis Lifeline, that's gained a lot of attention. We've heard a lot about that recently. Why is that program getting so much awareness?
That makes me so happy that you've heard a lot about it. So 988 has been around for about 3 years. It's basically the suicide prevention hotline to mirror 911. So just like 911, you can call it from anywhere in the country, but you'll get connected to a licensed clinician for a lot of suicide prevention calls, but also substance use crisis situations that help alleviate some of that work from law enforcement and then get you connected with a trained professional.
Let's also talk about the Miami Valley Warm Line and then the Mobile Crisis Unit. What are those resources? How do those services help people?
Yeah, the Miami Valley Warm Line is done through our friends at Goodwill Easter Seals. This is a non-emergency line, so this is really a line just if you need somebody to talk to. So that number is 937-528-7777. Monday through Friday, and again, that's for non-emergencies, but for a lot of our older population, people that just need a friend, this is a great line to call and have those conversations.
About 30 seconds left. Let's say in the event of a mental health situation, maybe one of the toughest things, how do you pick a resource? How do you know, where do I go in this moment? What do I need?
So if it's a life-threatening situation, certainly still call 911. I always say if you're not sure, the fastest way to get help is 911, but 988 is also a great number to call. They can help figure out what resources are needed for you, and then can direct you to 911 or mobile crisis response if needed.
All right, Mental Health Mondays here at 2 News. Colleen Oakes, Director of Strategic Initiative and Communication at Montgomery County ADAMHS. Thank you so much for joining us tonight.
Thanks for having me.
Well, for all of our segments highlighting mental health awareness, plus contact information to a lot of those resources that we just mentioned, you can always visit WDTN.com. Click Mental Health Monday. That is under the Community tab.